Philips BT SHB8750 headphone, Bluetooth headphones. So these are the Bluetooth headphones by Philips. Uh, let's see a few things about the product. So it is the let's talk about the battery first. It's 15 hours battery, 16 hours of playtime, 45 hours of standby time, which is pretty good. It consists of wireless active noise cancelling, and it has cable included, hands-free calls. So these are the basic things which is written on the box. We got this charger, the USB C type, not the C type, sorry, the USB charger, the headphone, and the 3.5 mm jack, which is 3.5 mm both the sides. So you can, once the battery is out, you can actually put it into the headphone and to the device which from where you want to listen to songs. So basically this device, I personally loved it because of the comfort, the cushioning, the material used, the folding and everything of this. The box is not included where you can keep the headphones. You can, but you can always purchase that. Let's talk about few things about the headphone. So there is a power button, then the Bluetooth button, then the play and pause button on the top of the headphones. Then we have next button, volume up and down rocker, and this is the expandable strap. So on the strap, I don't know why they have written as levels. It is mentioned as 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 being the maximum. The padding is very good. The gripping, the padding, the cushioning is really nice. I really loved it. So let's do one thing. Let's turn it off, turn it on quickly, and connect it to Alexa. I have Alexa. Can you, Alexa, connect to Philips?
Searching.
Okay, so it's connected. Once you place it on your head, right now there is no active noise cancellation, but once you play the song through Alexa or any of the component, the active noise cancellation starts. There is an active noise cancellation button over here. You can turn it on or turn it off, which is named as NC, which is the short form for noise cancellation. Let's put this up and I'll bring it closer to the camera so that we can hear it. Alexa, play Makna. It's good, it's actually good. Yeah. I'll just try to increase the volume. It's good. Apart from that, if you have any questions, put down into the comments. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Much needed. Thanks all.